World Table Tennis Ranking in 2022. Top 100 Senior Male Table Tennis Players in 2022. Disclaimer: this is not a true ladder, which means the higher ranked player is not really stronger than the lower ranked player. You should consider this as a ladder for the most active player in the WTT competitions. Phan Zhendong, Ma Long, Lian Qingkun, Chun Smolgak, Hugo Calderano, Lin Junlu, Dako Jogic, Tomokazu Harimoto, Dmitry Ocharov, Wang Chuqin, Tanki Gwari Aruna. Number 13, Timo Boll, Patrick Francisca, Anton Kahnbeck, Christian Carlsen, Chuang Ji-yuan, Lim Jong-hoon from South Korea, Liam Pitchford from England, Lin Gaoyuan, China, Omar Asa, Egypt, Andre Gassina, Li Shangshu, Wang Zhenfeng from Hong Kong, China, Simon Gauzy, France, Yukiya Uda, Japan, Kirill, Kazakhstan, Ruben Fulus, Germany, Xiang Peng, China, Zhang Gujin, South Korea, Marco Freitas, Portugal, Benedict Duda, Germany, Kanak Yak, United States. Xu Xin from China,